Welcome to the Beginner's Guide to Etoro Stocks, a comprehensive tutorial designed to help you navigate the world of online trading. Etoro is a social trading platform that allows users to buy and sell stocks, commodities, and currencies. To get started, you will need to create an account on the Etoro website or mobile app. First, let's cover the basics of stocks. A stock represents ownership in a company, and when you buy a stock, you are essentially buying a small portion of that company. Stocks can be volatile, meaning their value can fluctuate rapidly, but they also offer the potential for long-term growth. Once you have created your Etoro account, you can begin exploring the platform. The Etoro dashboard provides an overview of your portfolio, including your balance, profits, and losses. You can also view a list of available stocks, which are categorized by industry and sector. To buy a stock on Etoro, simply search for the company you are interested in, and click the trade button. You will then be prompted to enter the amount you wish to invest, and confirm the transaction. Etoro also offers a feature called copy trading, which allows you to replicate the trades of experienced investors. It is essential to develop a trading strategy before investing in stocks. This includes setting clear goals, assessing your risk tolerance, and diversifying your portfolio. A well-diversified portfolio can help mitigate risk and increase potential returns. In addition to buying and selling stocks, Etoro also offers a range of educational resources, including webinars, tutorials, and market analysis. These resources can help you stay up to date with market trends and make informed investment decisions. As a beginner, it is crucial to start with a solid understanding of the basics and to be aware of the risks involved in trading stocks. Etoro provides a safe and secure environment for trading, but it is still important to be cautious and to never invest more than you can afford to lose. By following these steps and guidelines, you can begin your journey into the world of Etoro stocks. Remember to always prioritize education and risk management, and to stay focused on your long-term goals. With patience, discipline, and practice, you can become a successful trader on the Etoro platform.